AI to recruit your downline, close your sales, and build your email list at the same time without talking to anyone, would you still be chasing people in DMs? Smart marketers know the money is in. If you could use AI to recruit your downline, close your sales, and build your email list at the same time without talking to anyone, would you still be chasing people in DMs? Smart marketers know the money is in the list. Even smarter marketers use automation to build it for them. This system does both, automatically. Most people trying to build income online hit one of two walls. They burn out recruiting manually, explaining compensation plans, following up endlessly, or they make some money inside a program they don't own. And when it slows down or disappears, they start from zero. No asset, no leverage, no compounding. That's not a business. That's survival mode. Here's what changes everything. All you do is you share a link. Then the system does the talking. It explains the opportunity, breaks down the compensation, answers questions, handles objections, and closes the sale. 24 hours a day. No scripts, no Zoom calls, no awkward follow-ups. Now here's where this becomes powerful. Most AI recruiting systems stop at automation. This doesn't. When someone joins under you, they start generating leads too, and those leads don't just build their list. They also flow up into your back-end email asset. So while AI builds your organization helps build your list. That means you're earning monthly income and building an email asset you own. And because your membership includes a professional autoresponder powered by SendShark, you actually have the infrastructure to manage and monetize that list properly. Most serious marketers already pay monthly just for email software alone. Here, it's included. This isn't just income, it's positioning. Now let's talk structure. This runs on a simple 2x12 matrix. That means each member has 2 positions on level 1. When those fill, members spill into deeper levels beneath you. Here's how you earn. Level 1, 2 positions. You earn $5 per person. That's $10 per month. It doesn't matter who referred them. Levels 2 through 10, you earn $1 per person per month. That covers 4 people on level 2, 8 on level 3, 16 on level 4, 32 on level 5, 64 on level 6, 128 on level 7, 256 on level 8, 512 on level 9, 1,024 on level 10. That's 2,044 positions at $1 each, which equals $2,044 per month. Add level 1 and you can earn up to $2,054 per month without personally recruiting anyone. Levels 1 through 10 require 0 personal referrals. You can earn from positioning and spillover. Levels 11 and 12, leadership unlocked. Level 11 has 2,048 positions. Level 12 has 4,096 positions. These pay $3 per person per month. That equals 6,144 from level 11, 12,288 from level 12. Total, $18,432 per month. To unlock these 2 deepest levels, you only need to personally refer 2 people. 2 referrals unlock the deepest leverage. That keeps the system balanced and sustainable. Full matrix potential. If all 12 levels are filled and you've referred just 2 people, the maximum potential is $20,486 per month. That's the structure. Transparent, mathematical, no hidden volume requirements, no complicated ranks. Here's the full loop. You share your link. AI handles recruiting. Spillover fills your matrix. You earn monthly. Your network generates leads. Your list grows. Then you use the included autoresponder to monetize that list. Income plus asset. Automation plus leverage. This isn't a high-ticket gamble. If you're tired of recruiting manually, chasing people, starting from zero, and building systems you don't own, then position yourself inside one built for leverage. Click the button below, activate your account. Let AI build your downline. Let your network build your list. And lock in your position inside the matrix today.